Pipelines enable basic societal functions by transporting the liquid fuels and natural gas that power our cars, trucks, planes, and ships, and providing a source for electric power generation. Pipelines are dependent on a number of other critical infrastructure services to operate.
Refineries, pumping stations, and fuel terminals all require electricity to operate, not just to produce and move fuel, but also to manage monitoring and control processes, manage access to facilities, and to operate accounting and billing systems that allow fuel to be transferred to distributors. Similar to the electric system, pipelines and fuel terminals require communication infrastructure and IT systems to efficiently distribute fuel. Though some terminals can distribute fuel manually, internet outages or compromised software can slow fuel distribution to a crawl. Transportation systems, especially rail and port systems, are used for moving large volumes of fuel. Rail and port outages can disrupt the regional supply of fuel during an emergency. Similarly, surface transportation networks are critical to the local distribution of fuel. Damage to roadways or bridges providing access to fuel terminals can disrupt fuel supplies. Now let's examine the services that pipelines provide for other critical services. Transportation systems are also heavily reliant on fuel supply. Ports, airports, and even your local gas station depend on fuel terminals. Pipelines, terminals, and other fuel transportation systems take on an added importance during emergencies. Not only is fuel needed for ambulances and other emergency response vehicles, but natural gas and diesel fuel are commonly used to power generators for critical facilities such as hospitals and fire stations, and other lifeline services such as communications and water treatment.